Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix contact not showing in WhatsApp. First of all, guys, I will need you to go to your settings, and from there, I will need you to go ahead and search for WhatsApp. It will be all the way down with your application list. So as you can see here, we need to go to WhatsApp, just like so. By clicking on WhatsApp, you will find here allow WhatsApp to access. Make sure that contact is allowed and it is not turned off. The second thing that you will need to actually check is your contact themselves. Simply by going to your phone number, to your phone, or simply clicking here, and you will find all the different kind of people that you can actually find. So basically, just from the contact, as long as you have many people in there, that means that the contact is working good. The second solution is simply by going to screen time. So go all the way up to your screen time. So here we have screen time. Click on it, and here click on content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and click on it again, and from there you will need to wait a little bit and click on active. And as you can see, contact privacy, make sure that it is allowed on WhatsApp. And just like so, these are the possible ways that with them you can fix the problem of contact not showing in WhatsApp. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.